Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a video gallery in your Wix website. To do that, from the left pane, just click Add Apps. And then in the search bar, just type Wix Pro Gallery. And then choose the Wix Pro Gallery and click Add to Site. Then, to add a video, just click the Manage Media here. And then there's an option here to add a media by image, video, or text. We were going to add a media or video media to our YouTube. You can also upload or a video from Vimeo. We will choose YouTube, and then we will paste here to add from the collection of the media gallery. Okay, just paste here the link or URL of your YouTube or Vimeo and click Add Video. Then you will see here the video from the YouTube added to your collection. Then after that, you can click Done or add another media to choose from your YouTube. Then click Done. And you will see here in the list of gallery that your video was being added here. Okay, that's it guys. I hope this video helps you a lot, and thank you for watching and keep following for more video tips. Thank you guys.